Good morning, students. In the last video, we have learned about what are human resources. Today, we will continue with the same topic. So, let us start reading the lesson. At present, the total population of India is over 1 billion, which is 100 crores. India is the second most populous country in the world after China. India has more people than the combined population of much larger countries such as Russia, USA, Canada, Australia, and Brazil. So, children, at present, the total population of India is over 1 billion. 1 billion means over 100 crore people are living in India. And children, approximately today 135 crore people are living in India. And India is the second most populous or populated country in the world after China. So, children, China is the most populated country and India is the second most populated country of the world. Now, children, even the larger countries like Russia, USA, Canada, Australia, and Brazil have less population than India. So, if we add the population of all these larger countries like Russia, USA, Canada, Australia, and Brazil, it would still be less than the population of India. So, a lot of people are living in our country, India. Then, India occupies just 2.4% of the world's land area but has 17.5% of the world's population. So, children, India occupies only 2.4% of the land area, but it has 17.5% of the world population. So, a lot of people are living in our country, India. Now, let us read these new terms. First is human resource. The people who have knowledge, skill, and motivation and work to produce useful things and generate wealth is known as human resource. So, such people who have knowledge, skill, and motivation and they work to produce useful things, productive things, and they generate wealth. Wealth means money. Such people are known as human resource. Now, second is density of population. So, what is the definition of density of population? Number of people living in 1 square kilometer or square mile is known as density of population. Now, children, next topic is density of population. So, let us read the first paragraph. The population of our country is not evenly distributed. Some areas are thickly populated and some areas are sparsely populated. So, children, what is density of population? So, number of people living in 1 square kilometer area or 1 square mile, this is known as density of population. Now, population of our country is not evenly distributed, means equally distributed. Some areas are thickly populated. Thickly populated means it has more number of people living in that area. Like in the plains. In the plains, more people are living. Then there are some areas which are sparsely populated. Sparsely populated means less number of people are living in these areas and such areas are like the deserts or the mountains. Over there, less number of people are living. Now, the average density of the people in our country is about 382 people per square kilometers. It is very high in comparison to the world's average density, which is only 45 persons per square kilometer. So, children, the average density of population in our country is about 382 people per square kilometer. Means almost 382 people are living in 1 square kilometer area. Whereas in the other countries' children, only 45 people live in 1 square kilometer area. So in India, it is 382 people per square kilometer, and in other countries, it is only 45 people per square kilometer area. So the difference is huge. Now, the thickly populated states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. Nearly half of the total population of India live in these states. The sparsely populated regions are the deserts of Rajasthan, hilly areas in the northern and northeastern states, and parts of the Deccan Plateau. So, children, which are the thickly populated states of India? The thickly populated states where most people are living are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. So, half of India's population is living in all these states. Then, there are some sparsely populated areas like the deserts of Rajasthan, hilly areas in the northern and the northeastern states, and some parts of the Deccan Plateau. In these places, very less people are living. So, children, today we will learn till here only. Problems due to overpopulation we will do in the next video. So, till then, children, please revise the portion that we have done today, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.